Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to make your iPhone flash when you get the text or call. So in this device I already enabled this option. So let me show you. Now I am going to make a call to this one. Now you can see the flashlight, you can see here. So let me show you how to enable this one in this device. Okay. So for this, go to settings, then scroll down, then tap on the option accessibility, then again scroll down, tap on the option audio and visual, then scroll down. At the bottom you can see the option LED flash for alerts. Tap on this one and turn on this option. Okay. And after that you will get the flashlight when you get the any notifications or calls in your device. So let me show you again. Now again I am going to make a call to this number. Now you can hear. You can hear the sound, right? So simply in this way we can enable your iPhone flash when you get the text or call in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.